subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The new Realme Q3T is now official in China with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Q3T features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 144Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes supported by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset paired with Adreno 642L GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of onboard storage, that is again expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Q3T supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, it has a 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 based on Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Q3T has been priced in China at 2099 Chinese yuan, and it will be soon available for purchase in the country in night sky blue and Nubia color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Q3T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.